Okay, we're going to try a couple more of these. Once you get this kind of routine down, it's the same thing. All right, this one is going to be a two-part conversion. Now, let me show you how I know that. I go into my, my problem. It says I want to go from kilometers to centimeters. All right, so I look at my chart, centimeters to meters, kilometers to meters. But I don't see anything that takes me directly from kilometers straight to centimeters. Now, notice I can go from centimeters to meters. Okay, so maybe I need to do meters. And I can also go from kilometers to meters. So what they have in common is they both have meters. So meters is kind of going to be the link between kilometers and centimeters. Okay, so let's get started. You take what you're given and you put it in the first little box. So 104 centimeters. Now remember, if centimeters is on the top, centimeters has to be on the bottom so that they'll cancel. I go get my conversion. Make sure you put the number with the correct word. So 1 centimeter is 0.01 meter. Okay, now what's going to happen is this centimeter will cancel with this centimeter. So all I have to do now is get this meter. Okay, I want it to cancel, so I put it on the bottom. And whatever your answer is, in this case it's kilometers or kilometers, that's always going to go on the top. So what you start with is top left, what you end with is top right. Our conversion here, it says 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So 1,000 meters. Again, you want to follow the order of operations. So everything on the top is going to be multiplied. Now, let me scratch out this meter, cancels with this meter, so my answer is kilometers. All right, so we're going to multiply our top. We're going to press enter, and then we're going to divide, we're going to divide by this denominator. Okay, so let's put that all in our calculator. Just for practice, 104 times 0.01 times 1, I'm getting 1.04. One thing I've noticed is I have let you use a calculator throughout this entire course, and I want you to be very, very calculator savvy. But if you kind of learned our decimal rules and just some basic multiplication facts, most of these we don't even need a calculator on. But anyway, all right, divided by 1 times 1,000. And the answer is a teeny tiny decimal, 0.00104. All right, let's scan through the worksheet. I might do one or two. Number 10 is just a one-part conversion, kilometers to meters. There we go. You're going to use that one little conversion fact, and that's all you need for number 10. Let's look at the next side. 11, square millimeters and centimeters squared. Okay, so let's see. Here we go. There's squared millimeters and there's squared centimeters. So that's all you need for this particular problem. It's a one-step conversion. Number 12, 300 is the same thing here. So these two problems are almost the exact same. Well, you're going from centimeters to millimeters, millimeters or centimeters, but you're going to use the same conversion fact. It's a one-step conversion. Number 13, convert meters to kilometers using unit fractions. Okay, right here we are. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. It says do not round your answer. Do not round your answer. Let's look at this one. 920 meters. Okay, so if meters is in the top, meters has to be on the bottom. What we're looking for, a kilometer, so that has to go on the top. And our fact is that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Now, again, if you know what dividing by 1,000 is going to do to that decimal, you don't even need a calculator. But I like for people to have the calculator just for comfort. It's like moral support. We're going to multiply the top and we're going to divide the bottom. So let's see, 920 times 1 is 920 divided by 1,000. That's going to move the decimal over 3 places, so that'll be 0.92. Let's see. almost at the end. There are 16. Number 14, convert 31,500 centimeters to meters. Okay, that is a one-step conversion right there. It says do not round. Kilometers to centimeters. Okay, this is again a one-step. Kilometers to centimeters. Do not round. And oh my, they did not give you the conversion factor for this last problem. How frustrating. They gave you the table for every single one except for hertz and gigahertz. To be honest, I don't have my phone. What does giga mean? Google that, or look it up in Hawks. I don't know why the conversion table's not here, so we need to convert hertz to gigahertz. The process is the same. Okay, so you'll have your line. You'll have hertz at the top, you'll have hertz at the bottom, and on the top you'll have gigahertz. And you just need to find that fact. I apologize, I should have looked it up, but I didn't realize they didn't give it to you. All right, that's it for these videos. You have a great day.